going on everybody? Welcome once again to the best sneaker show in the world, Nelson Arevalo Jr. and welcome to N-Line TV, baby. Today guys, I have a very special unboxing and review of the Air Jordan 8, the collab with Solefly. But before we begin, you guys already know the vibes. Follow me on Instagram at NLineNYC. And if you want to get drippy fly, go to my website, nlinenyc.com. Thank you guys. Let's go with the box. Boom! Look at that detail. The inside blue. And it says Cuba inside. So shout out to all my Cubans. Shout out to all my Cubans. So Air Jordan 8 Retro SP. Sail, metallic gold, and fossil. So that's 10.5. Let's go. Box here with the collabo, the Solefly collabo of the Air Jordan 8. So we have a box connected to the inside is a baby blue. The outside it is like a wood texture. So I guess it's supposed to resemble like a wooden box or a wooden cigar box. That's what I get from the inspo. So it says in here, mi casa and su casa, which means my house is your house. So yeah, and in the middle we have the Solefly on each side, and then in the middle we have the Air Jordan logo. I wish they made this more legible, because right now with this light you can barely see the text. You can only see it like if you're like holding the box and stuff. But I'll just like get it as close to the camera so you guys can just see the box right there. And then on the side we have what seems to be a sticker, but it's actually not a sticker. It's actually printed on the box. So the box is an all matte finish, but these labels are a glossy finish, so they look like they're stickers, but it's actually like embossed and raised. A nice little green and red. I mean, I love the design. I love the little details that go into boxes like this. The bottom is all blue. And let's just get right into it. Whoa, the inside is baby blue. The tissue paper, look at that. Kind of reminds me of like Abuelita's kitchen. Like that, the back tile of the kitchen. And boom, let's get into the shoe. Wasting too much time, but bam! Hey, yo! Guys, look at this perfection. Like, that's a thumbnail right there. Blow! Like, I don't know where to begin. So, guys, fun fact, the Air Jordan 8 was the shoe that made me get into sneakers when I first saw it back in 2002. The black and chrome colorway. I was just like, yo, I want Jordans. And, you know, back then we would call these the bunnies, but, you know, the bunnies are really the OG colorway that came out, which is the white and the gray and the red, which is most similar to this. And then you have the Aqua 8s, crazy. And then I think it was only 3 of them out, and the playoffs. Those were the OG 3, but then in 02 they dropped like the black and chrome, then they dropped the low top white and chrome, and it was getting wild. Those shoes are fire. They need to bring those back. But boom, where to begin? We have like this short leather, and then we have this interesting like tweed linen material. Then we have the iconic blur, but they put like an overlayer on top of it that gives it that frosted look, and that's interesting. So this shoe is supposed to be inspired by Florida, right? Miami, Cubans to be specific, Latinos, but more specifically Cubans, and that's why they have that gold right there to resemble, you know, that the Cubans wear the gold, the Cuban links and stuff like that. The bottom, nice blue, dark blue right here, a blur right here. So this shoe overall has like kind of like an off-white beige tint to it. Up top we see 23. On the other side we see SF, stands for Solefly. That's the only difference between the two shoes is on top right here. The laces is beige. The tongue, we see like the tongue using the colors of the Cuban flag. And then the inside is lined up with red. This shoe is like Amazing shoe. You know, if you're interested in buying it, I recommend it. Runs true to size. Yeah, what can I say, guys? Like, this is a work of art. Shout out to Solefly. Shout out to you guys for doing your thing. I really wish I could have gotten more of y'all collabos. I really wanted those 13s. But yeah, let's see what Solefly has for us in the future. And yeah, guys, if you're interested in copying this pair, I'm not gonna lie, it's very difficult. You could only have gotten it on their website and sneakers app, and I think that's about it. Because when it's like stores, collabos, like you only see them like drop in their store and then on the sneakers app, and that's about it. So if you guys interested, probably go on the Go app or eBay. You know, they have the authentication program. I don't really mess with StockX because yeah, they say that there's a lot of fakes out there. So yeah, boom, the shoe. Bada bing, bada boom. Cubano. Para toda mi gente latina. Yeah, you guys already know. Thank you guys for stopping by. I really appreciate the support. Follow me on Instagram at LMNYC and check out my website if you want to get drippy. LMNYC.com. I'm really going to drop some crazy fire stuff this year. So please, please guys, give me a follow. It really helps. And subscribe to this channel. Until the next one, Nelly Nails over and out. Deuces.